Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining me again in this Kikuyu channel. Thanks so much for those who have been loyal in this channel, and even for those who've been dropping their comments down there. I appreciate so much. I hope you had a beautiful, amazing Christmas 2018, and everyone else, I hope you're still looking forward to a nice and a prosperous Happy New Year 2019. I am also so excited. And today we are going to summarize the lesson we had on how to introduce yourself. I'm going to summarize this very quick, and we're going to go together one after the other. One sentence after the other, just to make sure that you really understand how and what we learned in the previous lesson. The first thing, remember, this is a video on how to introduce yourself. Q&As, how to introduce yourself. The first question is, what is your name? What is your name? Wetagwo atia. Wetagwo atia. What is your name? Jetagwo Jerry. Jetagwo Jerry. I am Jerry. Or you can say, I am Mary. Jetagwo Mary. Jetagwo Mary. Or you can say, if you are a male, Jetagwo James. Jetagwo James. I am James. I am James. Jetagwo I am so and so. Now, how old are you? Wena miaka eigana. How old are you? Wena miaka eigana. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Dina miaka mirogo ere. Dina miaka mirogo ere. Now, where do you come from? Where do you come from? Umete ko. Umete ko. Umete ko. Or you want to be very specific and ask somebody which country. Now, you can say, Umete furori oreko. Umete furori oreko. Furori is the country. Umete, where do you come from? Furori oreko, which country? Now, I come from Kenya. I come from Kenya. Nyumete furori wa Kenya. Nyumete furori wa Kenya. Nyumete is I come from furori wa Kenya. Furori, country, Kenya. Now, are you married or are you single? We mohiku. We mohiku. We is are you? Mohiku is married. We mohiku. We mohiku. Or you ask, are you single? We wiki. We wiki. Are you? We wiki. Single. Now you ask, do you have kids? Do you have kids? Wena shiana. Wena shiana. Do you have? Wena shiana. Kids. Shiana is kids. Now, do you... Okay, sorry. Just to go back. We ask, are you married? Are you single? Now, let's say, you see, I am married. De mohiku. Yes, I am married. Married, mohiku. De mohiku. Or you can say, no, I'm not married. No, I'm not married. Asha dire mohiku. Asha is no. Dire, I'm not married. Mohiku. Asha dire mohiku. Now we go back one step and to the question, do you have kids? Yes, I have 2 kids. Dena ciana igere. Dena ciana igere. Yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, dena I have. Ciana kids. Igere 2. Dena ciana igere. Now, do you stay alone? Do you stay alone? Woikaraga wika. Woikaraga wika. Do you stay alone? Woikaraga wika. Woikaraga is do you stay? Alone is wika. Yes, I stay alone. Jikaraga de wiki. Jikaraga de wiki. Which is yes. Jikaraga de. Yes, I stay alone. Jikaraga. Yes, I stay. Wiki. Alone. Now, you can say, you can also ask somebody, or you can just answer and say, no, I stay with my parents. Asha jikaraga na aciari akwa. Asha jikaraga na aciari akwa. Asha, which is no. Jikaraga, I stay with aciari akwa, my parents. Aciari, parents. Akwa, my. You can even say, no, I stay with my wife. Asha jikaraga na motumia wakwa. Asha jikaraga na motumia wife wakwa. Motumia wakwa, my wife. Or I stay with my husband. Jikaraga na muthuri wakwa. Jikaraga na muthuri wakwa. Remember, this is just to answer no, I stay with my parents. That's why we say Asha jikaraga na mushiari wakwa. Now, for example, you just want to answer without no. You say, I stay with my parents. Jikaraga na moshiari wakwa or motumia or moduri, husband. Now, do you work? Niorutaga wera. Niorutaga wera. Do you work? Yes, I work in a school. Dutaga wera shukuru. Dutaga wera shukuru. Yes, I work in a school. Yes, I work in a school. Or you can say, no, I'm looking for a job. Asha no wera dirasharia. Asha, which is no. I'm looking for a job. Remember, you are asking, do you work? Of course, you have to say, yes, I do work, or no, I don't. So that's why you hear me saying Asha, A, and that kind of changing. So it's either yes or no. So in this case, you answer with no, which is no, I'm looking for a job. Asha no wera dirasharia. Asha no wera dirasharia. What are your hobbies? Niki wedete weka. Niki wedete weka. Niki wedete weka. Nyedete mufira. I like football. Nyedete, I like mufira. Football. Where do you go to school? Odhiaga shukuruko. Where do you go to school? Odhiaga shukuruko. I go to school in Nairobi. Dhiaga shukuru, Nairobi. Dhiaga shukuru, Nairobi. Dhiaga, I go shukuru, school, Nairobi. Nairobi is Nairobi. So, yes. Now, you can also ask, what is your work? What is your work? Orutaga weroriko. Orutaga weroriko. Orutaga wera oreko. Orutaga wera oreko. I am a driver. De derefa. De derefa. I am a driver. Or you can say, I am a teacher. De mwarimo. De mwarimo. Would you like to meet again? Would you like to meet again? No wede tuonane regi. No wede tuonane, which is to meet rege again. No wede tuonane regi. No wede tuonane regi. Would you like to meet again? Yes, I would like to meet you again. No nyede tuonane regi. Which is yes. No nyede, I would like tuonane, to meet rege again. No nyede tuonane rege. No nyede tuonane rege. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Gia na muthenya mwega. Gia na muthenya mwega. Have a nice day. Gia na muthenya mwega. Likewise. Ona wetaguo. Ona wetaguo. Likewise. Or same to you. Ona wetaguo. Also you or you too. Taguo, you too. Onawe taguo. Now, that's the end of this lesson. I hope you are able to learn something from these sentences, and even you are able to communicate to your person or to the next person you meet in the street or wherever you meet. This brings us to the end of this particular lesson. I so much appreciate everybody for being here and even for following me every now and then in my channel. I want to wish you again a beautiful, prosperous 2019. Thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for following my lessons. I'm looking forward for better things and even more to come. With those few words, I want to bring this to an end. Thanks so much. Keep tuned in. Until next time, goodbye.